Model, 65 Plate Mercedes Vito 111 CDI starts runs engine is knocking needs repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 134,845. MOT, the 2nd of May 2026. Engine, 1598 CCOM 622 114 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking, engine needs repairing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent.